I was very fortunate, and I was able to go out into the community for a neurosurgical consult. And I did my research. I looked all through the area and looked at educations. And that was one nice thing about UPMC is I could see the background and everything about all the doctors. You do a great job of talking about your great staff, and that was wonderful for me. Because again, I'd been dealing with a problem that, for 10 years I couldn't get help with, and I wanted to make sure I got the right guy. Dr. Eseonu is the guy that I selected, and lo and behold, he had availability. Like, he got me in within a couple of weeks. When I saw him, and we ran the tests, got the MRIs, got everything completed. He could see the problems, and then he asked about all the therapies that I've been through, and it was great. And to the point where, because I had been through all those wickets, he could have scheduled me the following week for surgery on my neck. That was a little bit quick for me, so we scheduled it for a few weeks out. But I went into the surgery, and when we went in, he said to me, when you come out, you're probably gonna have a collar on, for a couple of weeks. It may be a soft collar, it may be a hard collar, but you'll have a collar on. And I came out of the surgery and didn't have a collar on, and I was panic stricken. I was like, did you not do the surgery? He said, oh, no, we did the surgery. He said, but it was such a perfect mechanical fit, you don't need a collar. He said, I've never had one fit together so perfectly before. And so I literally left surgery that day, just having 2 discs replaced in my neck, able to turn my head left and right, and I was a little bit sore. And the other thing that happened that day, because one of the problems that I was experiencing was I had lost the feeling down my arm, down into my forearm, and my thumb and 2 first fingers. And I came out of there and I could feel it again. Now, I felt pain because things hurt, but I could feel them again, and almost entirely 100% back. So that guy, and I have referred no less than 5 people to him so far, and anybody that asks me for a neurosurgeon, I send him his way. And the other thing that I love about Dr. Eseonu, just to add on, and we've all experienced it, you go to a doctor's office and you wait and you wait. I don't think I've waited longer than 5 minutes for any appointment in his office. I mean, that is a well-oiled ship in there. Like, I walk in, I check in, I go back. In most cases, I'm in and out within 15 minutes. And it's just amazing. And his personality and his bedside manner are amazing. Like, always smiling, always upbeat, and that to me is important because, again, most doctors are seeing people when they're at their lowest point, when they're in pain. He's just such a great character and a great personable guy. I mean, he's absolutely a rock star on the staff. And you use the soundbite if you want, but I tell everybody, you got to go see my guy. He's a neurosurgical god.